Hello everyone, welcome back to the third episode of our video and podcast series Decode Your Inner Health. Today we'll be discussing about impact of consumption of alcohol on our gut health. We prefer having a glass of our favorite hard drink over weekends for a pleasure and relieving ourselves of worries after a whole week of busy work schedule. Sometimes due to stress or worries of not being able to meet our work deliverables, we even end up having alcohol 2 to 3 times a week. We have heard that alcohol is bad for our liver, but do you know that excess alcohol consumption can lead to digestive issues? Shocked? Let us discuss this in detail. We humans have outsourced our body functions to microbes living in our gut. Since we all react to alcohol consumption in different ways and each individual has a unique microbiome, in a way it signifies that composition of gut microbiomes has a role to play in digestion of alcohol. If our gut has less beneficial bacteria, it will impact the way our body can detoxify alcohol. Excess alcohol consumption can impact the production of digestive enzymes and juices, thereby making it difficult for our body to break down and digest food. This results in slow motility of food in the digestive tract, leading to bloating, gassy, and constipation. The foods as such floats around the small intestine, and bacteria in the gut are not fed with the food they require. This makes some bacteria from large intestine move to small intestine to feast on the food stagnant around the small intestine, leading to small intestinal bacterial overgrowth and gut dysbiosis, what we call as imbalance in our gut bacteria. Gut dysbiosis leads to inflammation, which on a prolonged basis can make intestinal lining permeable and holes in our gut lining, leaky gut, through which bacteria and food items can move to bloodstream and cause havoc. This can compromise our immunity and increase the risk of chronic disease such as cardiovascular disease, cancer, and many other metabolic syndromes. Besides, alcohol also contains certain chemicals that can irritate our esophagus and can make stomach produce more acid, leading to heartburn, or what we call as acid reflux. In addition to this, alcohol breaks the communication between gut and brain, making people eat something which cannot be metabolized by their gut or eat late at night, resulting again in acid reflux. Drinking excess alcohol on a regular basis can increase the risk of gastrointestinal issues and even GERD. This can further create a state of gut imbalance. Hence, the cycle of metabolic syndrome continues from acid reflux to inflammation to gut dysbiosis to leaky gut, again gut dysbiosis and chronic diseases. So I'm sure that you can very well understand how alcohol can create havoc in our body. That's all for today. In our next episode, we will be discussing how animal protein and fat consumption can increase the risk of cardiovascular diseases. Until then, signing off, be healthy and safe.